Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kushi and today we're gonna do a little pack with me segment, so in which we are going to pack with me. So today after tomorrow I am leaving for a trip, so guys don't mind that this trip is gonna be completely safe and like no one's coming with us except for our family, and everyone in my family has taken the COVID vaccination, and we are in a like an own villa, and it's just gonna be by car. So just chill out. And only I'm the person who hasn't vaccinated because I'm under 18, and there's no vaccination for now in Mumbai, in India, for under 18. So each and every person who's coming with me is vaccinated, and this lip shade is very nice. I love it. So let's get on. So guys, we're just going for 2 days, but I planned taking this little trolley. So this is a small one. This is not that big as compared to like the normal size trolley. It's like half of my length size, and rest of my family members are taking like those small thelas which come, but I want to be extra and I want to take this for myself. Yeah, so now the first thing on my to-do list is to check the clothes which are fitting me and which I want to take with me. So I'm gonna take like 3 to 4 pair of clothing because we're just going for 2 days and I don't want to overpack. I am actually overpacking, but I don't want to overpack even more. Okay, so I'm just gonna take 4 pairs of clothes. Like 2 would be normal, like fancy crop tops and normal pants, and 1 would be like a dress if we plan to like click pictures and everything like in a group. And we have to take full sleeves because where the place we are going has a lot of mosquitoes. Like it's like completely nature, and I can't wait to see it myself and can't wait to show it to you all as well. So let's get. So I would be having that bag which you see right there, and one more thing would be my carry-on. So I'm going to be using this bag as my carry-on. It has many multiple layers and it has like a ample amount of space. I usually take this bag if I have to have more luggage, and I would take this small miniature bag which you have seen in previous vlogs of mine. I usually take that, but for this time I'm going to be taking this. So if in case we like go for a hike, then this would be a better option, and it would carry my water bottle, my phone, the charger of my phone, the camera. I would be taking my tripod, but I would put it in the luggage. I don't want to break my tripod. I would be taking some board games and cards, so that we'll fill it up at the end. And first let's get straight on with the packing. I'll just close the door first. So this is my cupboard right here. It is like very messy, I know. So what you're gonna see here is the first thing. Over here, as you can see, it's a plain wall, but it didn't have the plain print over here. I peeled it off, and that blue thing I was trying to paint it, but it looked terrible, so I stopped it. So this is the small photos of me like when I was small, and on this cupboard my sister's photo was there, and the printing wala made a mistake. I have in total of 6 photos and my sister had only 2. I had 6. Here there are 4 and here there were 2, and the 2 were in between. So long story short, what happened is this one is my sister's cupboard and these are my cupboards. So yeah, we share a room. So this is my cupboard, and whenever I used to get angry, I used to just scribble up pictures, and this till that extent that I scribbled it. You can see some lines over here. These are the scribbling lines which I par through like a thick sheet, and she has kept my pictures beautiful. Myself, when I don't like it, I flip it off because now I'm not in the mood of this. So here is my cupboard. I'm not going to show you a story because it's messy. So I'll put you right here so you all can see me, not my cupboard. So guys, if you mind these things, this is me with which I have done everything in this whole house. I have spoiled everything. So I'm gonna open it. The reason behind this, there was mirrors over here, and as you say, like in Vastu, mirrors in front of the bed are not a good omen. Like, it's not good. So we have to cover these up. Okay. So okay, now you can't see me. Wait. I guess this is a better angle. I'm just quickly going to take all the clothes and see the time lapse. So guys, I'm done sorting the clothes. Excuse this, we're gonna plan to redevelopment our room after we come. Not now, after my results and everything is sorted and my sister's exams are going to start soon. So I have to plan, like, try wearing these shorts because I don't know if they fit or not. My mom bought these back in 2018. I never wore it, I don't know why. But there's a trick where you do this and it fits. So it fits from that trick, but I'll just wear it and I'll see it if it fits. I hope it fits. Or I need to make new pairs again. So guys, I tried it on and this is how it looks. In looks, it is 10 on 10 for me. But I pulled these on, like, I don't know, somehow it got. The waist part is not a problem. The thigh part is a problem. But I'm still going to take these to take pictures. It's very cute. So I'm going to wear the other pair of shorts and hope that fit as well. Sad news guys, that pair of shorts didn't ride up at all. Okay, where did it go? Okay, threw it behind. That didn't ride up at all. And so if you want to see my clothes, which I'm going to take, go see the next vlog, which I'll be posting soon. To see my face, my pictures, what we do there, vlogs and everything. Amazing content coming up now. So my clothes are done. I'll just take my undergarments. I'll just go get the bag for it. So guys, I got the bag and now I'll start packing. So guys, my bag is almost packed. The dress is left to iron, so I'm gonna send it in ironing. Excuse the mess. I decided not to take these things, but just excuse that. So here are my jackets. There's no space left. I put my undergarments and my shoes here. The dress would fit in this part. And my skincare, makeup and everything, I'm gonna put it. This is the perfume which I've been loving. It is by Miniso and it's not sponsored at all. No one's sponsoring me right now. So, and the fragrance is Brilliant Unique. Yeah. Okay, that's so delicious smell. I know the halat thodi aisi ho gayi. I done it. So I'm just gonna pop it right here. And I'll go grab my makeup. So guys, I've packed all my makeup over here. So I'm just gonna slide it over here. And here my extra pair of slippers is gonna come in this compartment which you see. The extra pair of slippers is gonna come when I would be wearing, and I'll just iron this and I'm sorted. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.